Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the top 10 best free apps that every PC needs to have, to be honest. And by the way, I've already done a top 10 list on the top 10 best free games that you can download from Steam, and this one's going to be about the top 10 free apps. Now, keep in mind that this list, just like the first one, is not in a particular order, so let's get straight to the point. So at number 10, we have VLC Media Player. So VLC Media Player is a free and open source multimedia player developed by Videoland. It is renowned for its versatility and ability to play almost any type of media file or streaming protocol without the need of additional codecs. So you don't need to download codecs in order to play certain files, which is the thing that I love about VLC Media Player. Now, some key features about VLC Media Player is VLC can actually play almost every single video and audio format, just like we mentioned. For example, there's MPEG, MP3, MP4. I'm pretty sure it can also play MKV files as well, and it supports various streaming protocols, just like I said, therefore making it an excellent tool for streaming online content. I've also done a video actually on my YouTube channel about how you can play YouTube videos on VLC. I've actually done a video about that, but I heard there are some issues. Actually, it doesn't work for me anymore for some reason, but let me know if it still works for you guys, because I don't really know why it doesn't work. In addition, it's also available on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS, so it's pretty much available across all platforms. Another cool feature about VLC Media Player is you can stream media from various sources. For example, internet radio and video on-demand services, and also, YouTube videos as well. And also, users can also record videos, take snapshots of the playing video. So if you're playing a video, you could just click on record. I'm going to put a little video right there where I show you how you can record a video in VLC, just so you can understand a little bit. And also, there are a lot of filters for audio and video for tuning the playback quality. So you can change the scene and a lot of other stuff. And the best thing about VLC Media Player is it's very easy to download. You just go to their website and click download, and just keep clicking through the prompts that it gives you, and just follow the instructions, and that's pretty much it. So overall, VLC Media Player is a powerful, reliable, and versatile media player that pretty much caters, I would say, to a wide range of multimedia needs. So it plays video, it plays audio, and not just that, it plays a lot of files. So, and it's also open source, which means users are constantly improving it all the time. That's really all I gotta say about VLC Media Player, and now let's move on to number 9. Now, number 9, we have 7-Zip. Now, 7-Zip is a file archiver. It's also open source and free. It is known for its high compression ratio and supports a wide range of file formats. So I'm going to show you a little screenshot here of the number of files it supports. There are several files that it supports, and think of this as a alternative to WinRAR. So I would say 7-Zip is even better than WinRAR. So the key features about 7-Zip is that it has a high compression ratio, often outperforming other formats like Zip, which is the file format that WinRAR uses. It also supports multiple formats, including Zip, RAR, gzip, and tar. Another good thing about this app is just like VLC, it's open source, which just means that users can constantly improve it. So change the app a little bit to improve it. And it's also free to use, so it's available for free. Now, for the compatibility, it's compatible with Windows, and also for Mac OS and Linux, it offers a command line version. So you actually operate the app with command lines, which is a bit different. I'm not really going to get into it. Another great thing about 7-Zip is that it has really strong AES 256 encryption. Now, basically, it makes it more secure, provides a robust encryption in the 7Z and zip formats. So it basically just ensures that there is a data security during the compression process, so that nothing bad happens to your file. In conclusion, 7-Zip stands out as a perfect file archiver. I would even say it's better than WinRAR. Its high compression ratios, broad format support, and strong encryption that we just mentioned a few minutes ago, and the fact that it's open source makes it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use. Whether you need to compress files for storage, transfer, or security, this app overall I would say provides a reliable and just robust solution. Now at number 8, we have Audacity. So Audacity is a free open source cross-platform audio software that is widely used for recording and editing sounds. So if you are, for example, a YouTuber, you probably use Audacity or other paid alternatives like Audition. This is the perfect, I would say, free alternative to Adobe Audition. And basically, here's a detailed look at what it does. The key features for this app are that the recording ability, so Audacity can record live audio through a microphone or mixer and digitize recordings from other media. Another good thing about Audacity is that you can also edit audio with it. So in other words, it features cut, copy, paste, and delete with unlimited sequential undo. So in other words, you can undo and redo, so you could go back any number of steps you want. Another very good thing, which I love about Audacity, is that it supports numerous file formats. For example, WAV, FLAC, MP2, MP3. Another great thing about Audacity is that it comes with built-in effects such as bass boost, echo, noise reduction, and customizable equalization, so you can equalize the audio. I don't know a lot about audio, guys, so bear with me. Moreover, there are also high-quality conversion features. So, for example, you could convert tapes and records into digital recordings. So overall, Audacity is a perfect audio editing tool that pretty much caters to everyone from beginners to professionals. Its extensive feature set combined with its free and open source nature makes it an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable audio editing solution. And now, let's move on to the next entry. And now, at number 7, we have Lively Wallpaper. So Lovely Wallpaper is a free and also open source application designed to bring your desktop to life simply by setting animated and also known as interactive wallpapers on your desktop. So I know a lot of people actually want, of course, like as in moving wallpapers or live wallpapers, and some people tell you, oh, you need to download Wallpaper Engine, which is a good alternative, but there is this free alternative to Wallpaper Engine, which is also a good app, by the way, and it's paid, however. So this basically essentially applies, or you could add whatever wallpaper you want, and it's a moving wallpaper, which is really nice. And the best part, this includes obviously video wallpapers, also GIFs as well, and also web-based wallpapers, which allows the use of web pages or web animations as live wallpapers. A good thing about live wallpaper as well is its compatibility, as it's compatible with various media formats, including, for example, MP4, MKV, MOV, WebM, and even more. Another really good thing again is direct URL input. In other words, it basically supports this feature where you directly input a URL to online video. So URL of an online video could be also used as a live wallpaper, believe it or not. And of course, this means, of course, live wallpapers make the desktop more engaging and dynamic. And also, there are a lot of customization options. It offers settings to adjust playback speed, the volume, and other aspects of the wallpaper. Now, of course, some people also might be asking, this probably will use some RAM. Of course, it'll use some resources, right? Well, yes, but the thing is, it's actually pretty efficient. There's actually a resource efficiency advantage to this app, which essentially, it's basically designed to be resource efficient, automatically pausing wallpapers when full screen applications or games are running in order to, save resources. Another excellent thing about live wallpaper is if you have a multi-monitor setup, it supports that as well, allowing different wallpapers on each screen or spanning wallpaper across all the screens. So all the screens that you have, all the monitors, they have the same wallpaper. So another thing you'll realize with all of these free apps is that they're open source, which is a very good thing because anyone can improve the app to make it more efficient or just better overall. It's very easy to download. All you need to do is just download it from the website, from the developer's official website, and you're pretty much good to go. So overall, Lively Wallpaper is a powerful and versatile application that transforms the static desktop background into an engaging and interactive experience. Its wide range of supported formats, customizable options, and efficient performance management makes it just overall an excellent choice for users looking to personalize their Windows desktop. So number 6, we have OBS Studio. Now OBS Studio is a open source, again, software for video recording and live streaming. It is widely used by gamers, streamers, and professionals for its powerful and flexible features. Now here's a detailed look at what this app can do. The first again good feature of this app is that it's high performance real-time video and audio capture and mixing. The thing is with OBS Studio, I've already reviewed this app a long time ago, actually 2 years ago. So the good thing about OBS is it has scenes, which basically makes you create multiple scenes to switch between seamlessly via custom transitions. So you can do your own transitions if you want to switch from one scene to the other in the app. Another really nice thing with OBS is that it has sources, which basically means you can capture windows, browse windows, you can capture your webcam or capture cards if it's connected to a PlayStation or an Xbox or something. You could just you could add a source and you could choose what source that is. So if it's your display or a capture card or whatever. Some other things I'm not really gonna get into are there's a really nice audio mixer. There's a dock UI. Basically, you could just sort of customize the look of the app. You could change where certain things are laid out and whatever, you get the point. And of course, in terms of formats, you can record and stream in a variety of formats, including MP4, FLV, MOV, MKV, and more. And of course, it supports hardware-based encoders like NVIDIA's NVENC encoder and Intel's QuickSync for high quality and low latency recordings. Another great thing with OBS is that you can also add plugins, so to extend the functionality of the app. So overall, it's a pretty good app. It's powerful, it's again flexible, you can do a lot of things with it, and it's a free solution for anyone looking to record or stream. It has a very extensive feature set combined with its open source nature and strong community support, which just makes it an excellent choice for a wide range of users, from amateur streamers all the way to professional broadcasters. Now on number 5, we have WhatsApp Desktop. Now I've already done a video again about WhatsApp Desktop about a year ago. ago, more than a year ago now, and nothing really, significant has changed since then. So you could watch that video if you want to. I'm just gonna do a quick little, an overview of the app. WhatsApp Desktop is the desktop version of the popular messaging app WhatsApp. It's basically designed to provide a seamless, you could say, communication experience on your computer. It mirrors conversations and messages from the mobile app, so you need to actually have a phone in order to use the WhatsApp Desktop app. You need to use like a little QR code. So that basically enables users to send and receive messages, make voice and video calls, and share media directly from their PC or Mac. So it's available for PC or Mac, by the way. So here's a detailed look again at what WhatsApp Desktop is all about. So some key features about this app are text messaging, obviously, group chats, and media sharing. I don't really need to get into this whole thing. Of course, another thing, again, everybody knows is voice and video calls. This has been around for quite some time now. And you could sync with your mobile app. Of course, this is a necessity. You need to do this in order for WhatsApp Desktop to work. So yeah, and in order to do this, it works via QR code login. So it's a pretty straightforward login method using a QR code. So for the compatibility, it's available currently for Mac OS and Windows, ensuring broad compatibility across different desktop environments. So it's only available for these two. And there's also a web version. And one of the most important things about WhatsApp Desktop and WhatsApp in general is the end-to-end encryption feature. So this ensures that all messages, calls, and media shared are end-to-end encrypted. In other words, just protecting your privacy. And of course, things that are very obvious are notifications and alerts. So there are desktop notifications and customizable alerts, so you can change the sound of the notification. And that's about it. And number 4, we have Discord. So Discord is a free communication platform designed primarily for gamers, but widely used for various communities. It offers text, voice, and video chat, in addition to allowing users to create and join servers based on their interests. Again, here's a detailed look at what it does. Now, before we get into it again, I've already done a walkthrough of the Discord app. I'll leave, again, a little iCard in the top right corner and a link in the description down below. And I will also leave links for every single app that has been mentioned in this very video. So, for features of Discord, a great thing about it is text chat. The channels feature basically organizes conversations into channels. So you can basically organize conversations into channels for a specific topic, making discussions easy to follow. This applies for servers. In addition, there's also direct messages or DMs. You can communicate privately with friends or small groups. Another very important feature is, of course, voice and video chats. So, of course, there is this feature known as voice channels. So, basically, you could join voice channels for seamless, real-time voice communication. And also, there's another nice feature again, which is video calls, obviously. You could host video calls with screen sharing for meetings or casual chats. Of course, another great thing is you could create servers and you could add roles and permissions. In other words, you can assign roles to members. So, basically, to manage permissions and organize the server hierarchy, you could say. Another very nice thing about Discord is there's a lot of integration to it. So basically, it integrates with platforms like Twitch and YouTube, therefore enabling streamers to interact with their audience. In addition, you could also add bots to automate tasks, moderate, and enhance server functionality. So overall, Discord is a nice, powerful communication platform. It's very easy to use, and that makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to connect and collaborate online. Now, on number 3, we have CapCut. CapCut is a free, user-friendly video editing app developed by ByteDance, which are the same people who created TikTok. It provides a range of powerful features that make video editing accessible to both beginners and professionals. Again, I've already done a very detailed video of this app, actually. I'll just leave, again, a little icard in the top right corner and a link in the description down below as well. So for some features here, of course, very basic tools for video editing are, of course, present in this app. So you can cut, trim, merge, split videos with ease. And of course, there are some slightly advanced features like speed control, reverse a video if you want to, and transitions. Keep in mind, this app is free, by the way. Of course, it also offers visual effects and also text and stickers. In addition, there are also some audio tools like, music and sound effects. You could add background music or sound effects and voiceovers. You could also edit audio, so adjust volume, fade in and fade out audio, and synchronize the audio with your video. And the great thing about CapCut is there's high quality exports. So there's a really nice feature where you could basically export a video in a very high resolution up to 4K, believe it or not. That's how I got my videos of 1440p 60. And it supports various formats, so for compatibility with different platforms. And it's also very user friendly. There isn't really a, steep learning curve. So learning CapCut is not very arduous or hard. It's very simple and easy. So in conclusion, CapCut is a very versatile and accessible video editing app that caters to various editing needs, from casual social media posts to professional video projects. And at number 2, we have BlueStacks. So BlueStacks is an Android emulator for Windows and Mac OS that lets you run Android apps and games on your computer. It's a very popular choice for gamers who want to play mobile games, but they want to play it on a large screen with better controls. And it's also one of the most popular Android emulators available. Whether you're a gamer looking to play your favorite game or mobile games to be very specific here, or someone who just wants to run Android apps in general on your PC or Mac. This video is mostly focusing on PC apps. Anyway, some nice features again about BlueStacks is app compatibility. In other words, BlueStacks supports a wide range of Android apps and games, making it versatile for both productivity and entertainment. You can also customize controls for games and apps, setting up keyboard and mouse configurations to suit your preferences. Another great thing is performance tuning. BlueStacks offers settings basically to optimize based on your system specifications. So basically including RAM and CPU allocation, which I'm not really going to get into. App syncing. With BlueStacks, you could sync your mobile apps with your PC, ensuring a seamless experience between devices. And the final feature that I also like is the BlueStacks store. The integrated BlueStacks store, basically provides a nice curated selection of apps and games that are optimized for the emulator. And for the user experience, BlueStacks is user-friendly with an intuitive interface. Setting up the emulator is straightforward, and the integration with Google Play Store easy to download and install apps. The customizable controls are a big plus for anyone who wants to play these games on BlueStacks, Android games, allowing for a tailored experience. Now, I just want to talk about a little bit of a drawback here with BlueStacks specifically is that it could sometimes be resource intensive. So users with a lower end PC might experience some slowdowns or increased CPU usage. So I just want to let you know there. So overall, again, BlueStacks is a powerful and versatile app that offers a great experience for both casual users and gamers who just want to play Android games or just use Android apps in general on their PC. Its wide range of features, customizable controls, and good performance make it a solid choice for running Android apps on your computer. If you're looking for an emulator with robust functionality and a user-friendly interface, BlueStacks is definitely worth considering. And the last entry on our list is Steam. So Steam is a digital distribution platform primarily for video games, but it also offers software, movies, and other digital content. Now again, I've done a whole other top 10 video on the best free apps to download on Steam. You could check that out. So it's widely known for its extensive library of games, regular sales. Some key features here is the game library. So Steam offers a vast collection of games obviously across various genres, including AAA games, indie games, and early access games. There's also the Steam store. The store features regular sales. All the time you'll find a sale on a certain game or certain set of games, discounts, bundles, which just makes it easier to find great deals. There's also the Steam community, which basically users can join groups, participate in forums, engage with other gamers through Steam's community features. Big picture mode here is also a nice feature, basically designed for use with a TV and game controller. It'll basically, I'll show you like a little preview here of what it does. This mode basically provides a console-like experience when using Steam on a larger screen, despite some potential drawbacks. For example, performance issues or on lower-end systems, but still, nevertheless, Steam remains a very popular and essential app. So overall, Steam is a pretty comprehensive platform offering a vast array of games, community features, and additional content. The user interface is pretty easy to use. It's pretty intuitive as well. The library, store, and community features are pretty much well organized. Its regular sales and discounts are a major draw for people who are looking to play a vast array of games. And that's a wrap for our top 10 video here. If you found any new favorites, let me know in the comments down below. Plus I'm gonna make a whole other video, a second video actually, because there are so many other good apps. So stay tuned for that top 10 video as well. I'm trying to make more top 10s now. This next video is gonna be more of a free alternatives video. And of course, keep in mind that this list is not in a specific order. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you.